the giggles. Well, we've made it to Norway, and reflecting on our time in Finland, Norway's got a lot to live up to somehow. I know that Norway's got all the mountains and everything, but something about Finland was super special, and I don't know, speaking for myself, I really enjoyed Finland so much.
Yeah, I love Finland. I feel like Finland felt so welcoming, and every spot we parked, we didn't feel like we're, you know, breaking the law by staying overnight, and it was like wood and the compost toilets, and it just, the facilities made us feel so welcome in Finland, and I think that's what kind of left such an impression on us of Finland.
We're really grateful to all of the support that everybody has given us in Finland. We've got something like 35% of our viewers on our YouTube channel are from Finland, apparently. So huge thanks to you guys. We really hope you enjoyed our videos covering your country. If you haven't seen them yet, then we've made a playlist. I'll try and link it up here in the corner, which is all about our time in Finland. We were there for almost 3 weeks, so I think there's like 6 or 7 videos there, so go and check them out. We started in Helsinki and we left Finland when we drove into Norway at the very top in Lapland.
But now we are in Norway and it is stunning here. It's absolutely gorgeous. We had some really good weather as well, so we were able to like lift the drone and have a look around, but the mountains and the scenery is just so beautiful. The water is like turquoise blue, so it seems like you're in Mediterranean, but I did go for a swim and it's still Arctic cold.
We hope you guys enjoyed these videos in Norway as much as you did in Finland. If you do like them, don't forget to subscribe. I've got something in my eye. Don't forget to subscribe and yeah, follow along on this journey all the way from the north to the south of Norway. We start our journey in Tromso.
A big warm welcome to everyone joining us here at Lindy Hop. We are Sam and Gabi, and together with our puppy Basie, we are currently traveling around Europe, exploring all of its hidden gems and making memories in our self-converted campervan. We started in the UK, drove across to Lithuania, and now our plan is to go up to the Arctic Circle and then down to the south of Europe. We will document our adventures in weekly videos every Sunday, so join us by subscribing to our channel, it's free after all, and turn on the notifications so you're made aware of every time we upload a new video, and follow us on Instagram for bonus behind the scenes footage.
Days we're on the road, full-time, living in a van. It's crazy to think. It seems like it's been longer because we've seen so much, but at the same time is going really quickly when you're having so much fun. Morning routines, that's something we had to perfect or just get used to a little bit in the van because it's a small space. You know, I've got my morning routine, Sam got his, so we found that the best thing that works for us is actually staggering the shifts. So I wake up first, I do my thing, get dressed and, you know, brush my teeth, etc. Basie already knows how long it takes, so he waits patiently, and then as I take Basie out for a walk, Sam gets up and does his thing. So we're not on top of each other in the morning, so it works quite well for us. Meantime, it's absolutely stunning day here in Tromso. Sun is beaming, it's really warm. You wouldn't believe you're somewhere in the Arctic Circle. The summer is in full swing, so yeah, can't wait to go back to the van, have some breakfast and go explore Tromso. After I came back from the walk with Basie, we just had some breakfast. Basie had some breakfast. We chilled out in the van for a little bit, and now we've come to the Arctic Cathedral, which is a super impressive building. It was built in 1965, aluminium coated concrete panels. It's a huge, massive church right at the entrance of Tromso, and it can sit 600 people. It's absolutely huge. Tickets are 55 crowns. I don't think dogs are allowed either.
55 crowns to go into the church. I mean, since when did you charge to walk into a church? I don't understand. Maybe we should come back on Sunday morning.
Apparently Tromso has the most remaining wooden buildings in the whole of north of Norway. The city itself it's a medium size, I guess. It's got 65,000 population. Settlement in Tromso dates back to Ice Age, and apparently they're finding artifacts from like 9,000 years ago. In Tromso and it's raining, it's bad weather, you need somewhere where it's free and you got some free internet, I think this is the place to go. The Bibliotek, City Library. So we've just arrived to Tromso Cathedral Square, and it's a stunning timber building. Absolutely beautiful. It was built in 1861, but when they were doing the renovation works they found all tombstones and remains of skeletons that are dating back to Middle Ages, so this place has been around for long. But obviously timber buildings perhaps don't last as long, but it's been recently expanded, so there's lots of seating and greenery, and it's really a hub of the city.
What is that? What is?
Well, that was loud.
Someone had a curry last night.
Oi. So I've just challenged Sam to get a hot dog, but it's not just a hot dog, it's a special hot dog, and on the board it says it's the best in the world.
Literally, it says no joke.
It says no joke, so what's in it?
Reindeer. I don't know how I feel about that.
We said we'll do vegan shopping next.
So I'm making up for it.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
We'll make
It's
it
an old
famous.
city kiosk. It's 111 years old. So
Oh, wow.
I'm keeping alive a little legend here. So.
He wants to say hello. He can smell the hot dogs.
Yeah, they often come back.
Yeah.
Mustard and ketchup.
Yeah, please.
And I hope you like it, and I hope you declare that this is the best hot dog you've ever had.
In the world.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
there was some really nice music playing at the little kiosk where we got the hot dog, so we couldn't really record the music in the background. But what did you think of the hot dog?
I think the Basie's got a feather stuck on his nose.
Basie, we're not going there.
What did I think of the hot dog? The sign said it was the best in the world. No joke. I think it was a joke.
Well, it was just for the experience. The little kiosk was really cute actually. It was built in 1911 by this 18-year-old girl called Margaret Löke. So it's called Löke Kiosk, and apparently locals love it. We loved it too. So we just crossed the Tromso bridge and we're on our way back to the car park. We left our van just behind the Arctic Cathedral, and as some of you know, Sam's not a huge fan of heights, and this bridge was proper high. I might look up how many meters above the water level, but and it's not just a short little experience of, you know, going across it. It's about 10-15 minute walk to go across there, and then another 15 minutes back. So how did you find it, and how did you overcome your fear? Because you coped really well. You kind of just soldiered through, walked in front of me a little bit, and
It's a 4x4 Sprinter.
you're just finding distractions, looking at the cars.
Oh man. My palms are pretty sweaty. Yeah, I don't know. I really didn't like it, and I knew that I wouldn't, but I went over there, so I had to come back. Years ago I got offered a job on the Queensferry crossing in Edinburgh, which is a big, huge cable stay bridge, and I went there for my first day, and I went home and I was very ill for the whole evening, and I couldn't stay at the job. I just couldn't do it because it was suspended like 75 meters above the water level in Edinburgh, just on the mouth of the sea. So it was it was not a nice experience, and since then, I don't know, I just can't deal with heights at all. But if anyone's got any tips for how to overcome really bad vertigo, then please let me know, because it's not pleasant, and my whole body is all sweaty under this now. It's like, oh yeah, and it only took 10 minutes to walk over it, but basically got me through.
You did it.
I feel so stupid for it. I feel so.
It's not stupid.
Well,
I mean,
it is, because like everyone else walks over it fine, and the structural engineer in me didn't like the fact that every time the bridge moved was because I was walking over a metal panel where the bolts had actually fallen out of the bloody bridge. Like, I'm not joking. It felt weird, but yeah, it was just me over exaggerating it in my head. But yeah, that didn't help.
yeah.
Anyway.
Now we've done it. We saw some nice bits of Tromso. Tromso's not that big, so it was enough just to walk around in a few hours in the afternoon. And I think we're just going to head back to the van and then start off.
Where?
Where should we go next?
Who knows?
Who knows? Well, I guess you'll have to find out in our next video. I think the direction we're going to be going along the west coast. So this is the most northern point of our trip, Tromso.
Which is sad. I really like the north.
Yeah. The north has been great, and it's been so exciting kind of heading north each week. But now time is to kind of explore the west coast, and we're going to slowly zigzag using the touristy routes.
Lots of ferries, I'm sure.
Lots of ferries.
Yeah, so tune back in next Wednesday. Tune back in next Sunday.
Tune in for our next video to follow us along, us exploring Norway. Can't wait to see more of Norway. Bye.